Hi there! In this quick video, I'll show you how to find a postal code using Google Maps. In the EU countries like Germany, France, Austria, etc., a postal code is the same as a zip code. Let's get started. First, open Google Maps on your device or computer. You can use the app or simply search for Google Maps in your browser. Now, type the address or location you want to find a postal code for in the search bar, and then press enter or tap the search icon. In this example, we will seek the postal code for Hauptstraße 54 in Berlin. Once you see the location on the map, zoom in and click on the desired area. This will bring a side box with the address and other details. In this box, you'll see the postal code, which is usually a combination of numbers and sometimes letters. It's the same as a zip code. For example, Berlin's postal code for our address is 10827, right here. And that's it. Now you know how to find a postal code using Google Maps in just 1 minute.